Hi, in this video I am going to show you the tracing designs which is for sale. So total 170 pages of designs is there, 170 designs like full design, flower design, peacock design, kundan, cutwork, everything is there. So the cost of this 170 designs is 2000. I will not send pictures for anything, just for I'll show you the sample pictures here, will not share any pictures. And one more thing is, will not sell one designs. So complete combo we are giving, one or two designs we are not selling. So complete 170 designs 2000. You have to buy it like that. 10 sheets, 20 sheets like that we are not selling. I'll show you some samples. So these A3 sheets are, this is A4. A4 sheets are for front and hand designs like this. And this one is full back. So I'll show you some sample designs. This is cutwork design with boat neck. So this will be for the front or back. Back will be the cutwork. If you want cutwork, you can place it in the back. If you don't want the cutwork, you can do it with the front. So this is the front part of this design. So you can make it ulta. You can make this as back and you can make this as front. It depends upon your creativity. And second design. So this will be the back, and this place you'll be placing the net and doing this lotus design. So here you can see the number 2. So this is for a number 1 design, hand design. And this is number 2, hand design. So like this, for some designs we have mentioned the number like this, which is separate for back and front sleeves. We have given a number to match it. I'll show you some samples here, designs, because we'll not share the pics, that's why. So this is like kundan designs. So this is one set full of back full designs, and this is flower designs. So total we'll be having 15 designs like this. Jhumka design, and this is also some flower design. Kundan designs, flower designs. So like this, peacock designs. So these are the designs for sale. I'll show you one design how to trace from this. I have chosen this design for tracing. So place the tracing sheet in folder, place it like this. So this is the central line. So this will be one side and this will be one side. You can see the line here. Just place it like this and start tracing from the central line. Now turn the tracing sheet and trace the other side of back. So the design is completed now. So final look will be like this. Same way you can trace the front and also the sleeve. So if you want to place the order, WhatsApp me. Please don't ask for the pictures. I'll not share the pictures. I'll have shown you the demo here, some samples here. So you can have a look into the video. Thank you.